Oh my goodness!
Ready for the sun, long drinks good.
Hi guys, currently here at NAIA Terminal 3 and kakatapos lang po natin mag-bag drop and kaka-check-in lang po natin and we're so excited to fly and explore Vietnam.
Vibes, ready for the
Next stop, foreign exchange kasi magpapa-exchange tayo ng peso to Vietnamese dong for our allowance sa Vietnam. And it's around 5 million Vietnamese dong.
fun, no strings, no ties. Ready for
Hey, thank you Father God. This is it, Vietnamese dong for our shopping and foods sa Vietnam.
summer, bags packed light. Not ready for you, and I'm not ready for you.
And now we're ready to go. We're waiting po sa flight natin to Vietnam. And with me, with our MSM project.
Yeah, but I can't forget.
We're getting inside na.
Inside the plane.
Yay!
Our spring now. Vietnam na tayo.
See you.
Baby, what good times we had. Oh, we had the best time of our lives. Chilling by.
Ilang minutes na lang, palanding na po tayo sa Vietnam.
Yeah, we
Finally, touchdown, Da Nang, Vietnam.
the best time of our lives. Hope that I
And now we're going to baggage counter to get our bags.
one last time. I'm gonna miss you.
So, ako po yung magiging tour coordinator sa Baso.
Yes! Bus ride na naman!
When you're gone,
We're in Vietnam na.
I'm gonna miss you when I'm home. We had the best time of our life.
Another bus ride experience here in Vietnam. First time. And we're now heading to our hotel. Hi! Hi!
Of our life in paradise. Whoa, oh, oh.
Hi guys! Hi! First time elevator ride in Vietnam.
Ever since I left, can't find my place. Thinking about the way you said my name. Think I'll buy a ticket, I'll be on the next.
Let's check it out. Let me turn you around. Let's get inside. And let's put this key card here. Yeah. Rise and shine, it's breakfast time. Ito yung bus po namin. Bus 1.
Dapat tayo.
Yung bus 2. Kami po yung bus 2. We're going now to Bana Hills and actually yung tour guide binigyan po tayo ng coffee candy.
Coffee candy! Healthy coffee here in Vietnam.
Kung sa Pilipinas na to, kopi ko lang.
So we are supplying
Ito naman
for
coffee candy
local
sa kanila.
specialty. So would like to introduce.
After Bana Hills,
So you can have a photo with them.
Asawa
Okay?
Hills!
Right, another blessings from the front.
factory here in Vietnam. First stop. Yes. First stop of today's tour.
We're gonna use it to make some products like bracelets or necklace from the show here.
Kanta si Apple dito. Ano nga yung kanta mo, Apple? May nampong kasi na restaurant doon. Ano nga yung nampong mga dali?
Ba't 5 lang?
Nampong mga dali, may kamay at paamay.
We're here in Vietnam and because of HDS, ano yung binili natin, ma'am? Answer?
Ring, ruby ring.
Wow!
Ruby ring.
How much?
How much total? Close to 400
Million.
plus.
Wow!
US.
Wow!
How many million is this? I don't know. Multi-million.
Hello, good morning, Danang. Here in Vietnam, purchase a ring, no, and a necklace via my Bibo wallet.
For how much in Vietnamese dong?
This is 28,000 pesos.
Yeah! Wow!
The jelly.
Yes,
So
may
fine
binigay
colors.
naman yung tour guide sa
And
atin.
just the whole bag.
Passion fruit jelly. Another cable experience here in Vietnam! Did you know that the longest single rope in the whole world is located here in Bana Hills, Vietnam? Ma'am Elsie, ma'am, mag-ride tayo ngayon. Pero ang challenge, no reaction. Go tayo?
Mag-ride saan?
Yung ride, any ride.
Ayaw.
Pero no reaction challenge.
Ayaw.
Right now, here at Bana Hills, and where we will eat our lunch here. Yes! And you know what, guys? Yung lugar ng Bana Hills, nasa tuktok na tayo ng bundok.
Yeah, we ride a 20-minute single
Yeah.
rope cable car.
Yes, and alam nyo ba, nakagandahan kasi mainit dito sa Vietnam, pero dito sa Bana Hills, ang lamig. Yes! We are now inside the restaurant. Good news po, buffet lunch tayo ngayon. Look at this, guys. Ito yung mga pagkain po dito sa Bana Hills. Grabe, napakadami. Yung tipo na mas madami pa yung pagkain kaysa sa tao. Kasi ito po yung buffet area, sobrang pagkalaki. From here to there. Grabe. For this amazing experience, for this amazing lifestyle. Kaya sa lahat ng mga na-curious na yung ginagawa namin, paano namin nagawa sa HDS, kapag travel abroad, good news, kumikita po. Message me, I will teach you how for free. Meet our tour guide. The name of our tour guide?
It's the Hong.
Hong.
Hi.
What is your message to all the Filipinos out there?
We love Filipinos. Please come to visit the Bana Hills. Come to visit Hoi An and Da Nang City. We love Filipino.
Hi guys, we're here at Golden Bridge. Medyo hindi pa siya clear kasi nagpa-fog ngayon. Tingnan nyo naman po. First time! Wow! Nakikita niyo po ba? Yan. Yan yung kamay. And ito naman yung bridge. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Yan po yung hand. And the Golden Bridge. Proud Pinoy. You know? Ang galing sumayaw ni Ma'am Elsie.
Balik ka.
Balik ka, ma'am. Wow.
Cruise ship experience here in Vietnam! M2M and MCM Project sa susunod kasama ka na!
Oh my goodness. And we're going to the Marble
You can buy the
Mountains,
markets. Markets
and
can be cheaper,
we
but
will
there's
ride a
no
boat.
food in the
Yes,
market
excited.
because the market is somewhere.
Guys, we're here already in Marble Mountains. So, papasok po tayo. So, pwedeng dalawang daanan. Pwede ka mag-fare. Pwede ka din sa mag-elevator. But right now, kasi mga kasamahan po natin yung mga handsome project. So, we decided to ride in an elevator. So that's the elevator.
Wow, thank you, ma'am.
Hi guys! To see the Marble Mountain. These 5 limestone hills named after the 5 elements: metal, wood, fire, water, earth. Did you know that these mountains have served various purposes, including military training grounds, circuit revolutionary bases, and a refuge for local populations during times of conflict? Now we are here at Silk Center here in Vietnam, and look at this one, everyone. Ito yung cocoon, and did you know that one cocoon can make a 1,500 meters of self-thread? Self-thread. Guys, grabe guys, napaka-strong. Ito yung gagawa sila ng mga tela.
Lulutuin nila yung cocoons.
This is the life cycle of the silkworm.
are here in Hoi An, and currently we are experiencing the coconut basket boat ride. Yes, and alam niyo po ba, yung boats po dito, it's about 2,000 boats. Grabe guys, super dami.
Only
Yes! And yung mga kasamahan natin, Coach G. Yes! HDS! MCM project po yan lahat. Tingnan nyo po. Ganito tayo kadami. Yes!
Yes! Try street foods here in
Real
Vietnam.
rice paper.
Hoi An.
Guys, so many foods. Good problem. Guys, can you hold this, please?
Yes! Lahat sa mga habers dyan.
The best
Mag
ang
street
food.
foods man, doon na sa international. Guys, masarap dito
best.
mag street food sa
Ang sarap
abroad
ng food.
kasi laisyo no, laisyo yung mga foods nila dito. Mga high end. Imagine guys, street food nila strawberry oh.
And it's only 100,000.
Mango. 50 pesos.
This one, 40,000.
20 pesos in Pinas. And masarap na siya, worth it. Yung mga foods nila.
Guys. Asa.
Akala niya.
I thought it's Dudu.
We will be, wow. Yes.
We're crossing the bridge. Hi everyone. Hi guys.
Okay, first is position. Engage. High hip. Project. Engage. High hip. Project.
Engage.
High hip.
Project. I hip. Project. Lisa. Okay, go.
Okay, position. High hip.
Sample, Ma'am Lar. Okay.
Project.
I hip.
Engage.
Engage.
Stand up straight. Position. High hip. High hip. Project. High hip.
Go, go, go. Position.
Engage.
High hip.
High hip.
Project.